In this video, we start Excel and create a new blank workbook. I am using Windows 7 and Microsoft Excel 2010. You may be able to access Excel through an icon on your desktop, from the taskbar, or inside the Start menu. You may have an icon on your desktop which looks like this, in which case you should be able to double-click it to start Excel. Double-click means to press and release the left mouse button twice and fairly quickly without moving the mouse. You may have a button pinned to your taskbar which looks like this, in which case you can probably click it to start Excel. Click means to press and release the left mouse button once and fairly quickly without moving the mouse. You may be able to access Excel through the Start button, in which case you might find it by clicking through All Programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel 2010. When you open Excel, you may see this. It is an empty workbook and where we want to start. However, you might see this. This is a menu called Backstage. You can toggle the Backstage menu at pretty much any time by clicking on this File button. If you're backstage and you push this button, you will be taken to the workbook. If you're in the workbook and you push this button, you will be taken backstage. Further, if you're backstage and you push any of these buttons, you will be taken back to the workbook. Another way to leave the Backstage menu and go to the workbook is to push the Escape key. The final thing you might see is this. It is the workbook area, but it is grey and empty because there is no workbook open. In that case, you can create a new blank workbook by going into the Backstage menu and selecting New, then double-clicking Blank Workbook. We can open an existing workbook by going to the Backstage menu, selecting Open, navigating to the saved file, and clicking Open. An alternative is to navigate to the existing workbook in Windows Explorer, and double-clicking the icon. Another way is to drag the icon of an existing workbook into an Excel window. When we say drag, it means to press and hold the left mouse button, move the mouse, and then release the mouse button. We can usually access workbooks that were open recently by going to the Backstage menu, selecting Recent, then clicking on the workbook. We can save a workbook that we have edited by going to the Backstage menu and clicking Save or Save As. If we open an existing workbook and click Save, it will be saved over the file that we opened it from. The new file will be in the same location as the original file, it will have the same file name, and be the same file type. If we click Save As, or if we create a new workbook and click Save, the Save As dialog box will appear. From here, we can select an appropriate location and file name for the new file, and save it. My YouTube channel includes more videos teaching Excel. Feel free to click that like button if you found this helpful, leave a comment if there is a particular area that you're interested in, and subscribe to be notified when new videos are available. The excelfinancialmodeling.com website has more free resources. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching.